channel balances in the windows are located on the sash on the left side and the right side. They're hidden, you can't see them. So to get to those channel balances, what we need to do is to remove the clips on the left side and the right side of the window that the channel balances engage into, so we can remove the sash. We lift up the balance, the sash, and you'll feel it engage or click into the clips. Then you have to keep pushing up onto the sash like this, and you will have the weight of the sash in your hand. There's no more spring assist to it. So you lift up and you can pull to the left or the right, and then we pull the sash out like this, and the sash is released. Grab onto it on the bottom and on top, because it is a fairly heavy tension on this. And you would pull down past the retaining clip, then up slowly. You move up slowly, let the string reel into the pulleys, and then pull the clip out of the receiving hole. Once we remove the sash balance out of the window, we will take that channel balance down to James Hardware, and they will order the correct one. There are many different sizes, weights, and fittings on these, so they do need to be ordered to fit your window. So what you'll notice is that there's a hook on one end. This is the hook that goes into the receiving hole on the window. Take your balance, and this hook right here will go into the hole into the side of the frame. You'll engage that hook into that hole, you'll pull down, and then you'll push that in and engage it into the retaining clip. Now that we have the channel balances installed, it's time to reinstall the sash. The sash, which comes in different sizes, has a receiver fitting right on the edge of the sash that will interlock into the channel balance. So what we'll do is we'll take this sash, and we have to go above the bottom of the channel balance, which is about probably, a foot up from the bottom, 6 inches, so we can slide this in. So we'll slide over the left, and then we'll slide over the right, and then what we'll do is slide this down. It's a little jiggly, but once you get it down, you'll see it engages into the channel balances. So after we push the sash all the way down, we have to push the retainer clips back into the frame to keep them out of the way of the balance. So I'll push the left one in, I'll put the right one in. At that point right there, you can go ahead and lift the window sash and test it, and you're done. You've installed your sash balance.